But though you're dead, hey! Salute to a fallen hero! Salute! Yum! Prison! Badakataka! 21 gun salute to a fallen hero! Fire! Badakataka! Bazakata! Hit! By the left! Slow match! Salute! Slow match! By the left! I feel your death. Oh, my brother. I shall do as you have commanded. All your commands will be executed. The military commands will be done. Red paper retreat. Hey! Paper retreat. By the left! Quick! March!
Oh, soldier, show yourself! Show yourself! Oh, soldier, no they die.
I wonder why we should have a rich man like Bartholomew in this community, and yet there is no light anywhere. The only thing he knows is to put on his big generator, only to light up his compound. Well, it is only God who knows the best. 3 chickens here. And who did this to me? Who did this to me? Whoever has sworn that I, Ezekiel, will not have sleep, he or she will never see sleep. May thunder strike your anus. Hey! Whoever has stolen this chicken, may it not be well with you. May it not be well with you. Hey!
Nna, you're kidding. Who are you running abuses on this early morning? Okay.
How many chickens were here when we went to bed?
3.
3 chickens. No, 1 is no more. 1 is no more. They have come to steal my chicken. Hey!
Could have done that.
Naomi, hey! Ne, the worst has happened. Hey!
What happened?
Now Ezekiel, I greet you. Nem, Bato is dead.
Eh?
Hey! How many Bato do we have in this village? Bato, the richest man in our town, no. Brother to Sylvester is dead, oh. Hey! 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 I don't know. Hey! Oh, my sister. Ah, what kind of life is this? Oh?
So the rich can also die like that?
Yeah, surprises me. Come to think of it, you think death has respect for what? Eh?
Bato. Bartholomew Anna.
Bago. Sylvester, what plans do you have for the prayer family? Because I know it is going to be grand one. Ogadika festival.
Is you?
Yes.
Usai! Eh? You people know how unpredictable Bato was. Eh? Listen, Bato said he does not want anybody spending any money on his burial and for his burial, except money for casket and ambulance. Finish.
Hey. That is a joke.
It's not a joke. Oh. No posters, no wake keep, no gunshots, no t-shirt.
But at least there is going to be some eating and drinking.
Onyusa, that's where I was going. Bato does not want any fanfare at all. So, no eating, no drinking. Hey, Chineke.
I hope your brother has not gone into the grave with his teachings. Because I know that come
Ezekiel,
next
Ezekiel,
is going to be a stage.
that is not the case. Hey! Beelzebub. How do we bury Bato?
That's the way he instructed. But first of all, I'll have to find a way of getting all his children. Bato demanded that all his children be present at his burial. And after he is buried, his will is going to be read.
Hey, Bato was married to 4 different women who each had a child for him at different times. And all of them left him with their children because they found it hard to cope with Bato.
Yes. Yes.
The question is, will all the children come? Will they come?
Who will hear that he's going to be a beneficiary of 2 billion naira and not run coming?
2 billion naira. Billion naira.
Yes.
Was that actually how rich Bartholomew was?
Bato, my own brother. Bato had money. Bato was wealthy. Gente. Ego Bato nwelu na su poto ni mite. Hey! Bato had his money placed on nearly everything, and I'm sure he forgot some of them.
Yet he allowed you to live in this old dirty house. Allowed you to live in poverty. He refused to help anybody in our society. Now even in death, he has denied us food and drink. Onwe chezo no nyu sadi enwe ulcer. Hey!
Oh yeah. Never near no.
Angelique, how are you? No one has really heard from you since you left with your daughter. How is she now? I know she's grown into a real woman now. Well, no one can blame you for leaving Bato, my brother. He was a very difficult person to live with. His stinginess was too aromatic, and at some point I began wondering what the initial attraction you had to him was. Do you know that up till now, I still live in the old house built by our father? Bato refused to renovate it and wouldn't let me into his own mansion where he lived alone. Truly, Angelique, it's just out of fear of God that I am doing what I am doing now. Well, what more can I say? It is time for your daughter to return to her roots. If not for anything, at least at a time like this, when the sun has set on the tree from which she sprouted. Yes, exactly what you think, my dear Angelique. Bato, the father of your daughter, is dead, and he has requested that she be present at the funeral. It was his dying wish that his children, all of them, come around for his funeral and the reading of his will. Thanks, as I look forward to seeing her soon. Sylvester.
My brother Bato said you returned to Brazzaville with her. So how are you people? I hear your people drink a lot of beer. Yes. And you also have a lot of women who are willing to take off their dress at will. And also dance like possessed people. Yes. I'm not saying it's not good, but that's what we hear. Okay.
Baby White Production. I'm a smart on the mix. Where's your nation? You know what the borders. Run them, GZ. never lie but day, I no be fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own joy. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still I'm coming when they get the money. Next year by this time we don't they go overseas. Cause I call her the diva, she said I got fever. I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and we show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my eyes, I'm a gangster. I dey see things. I don't go many places, I don't see things. I'm just a young boy getting into big things. Then say I'm waiting with big dreams. Then say go overseas, cause I call her the diva. She said I got fever, I got her for liver, we put her for river. See, we be making up. See how the girls self, they be dressing up. See how the chicks self, they be fucking up. Cause we done the drink 7 up.
Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. Now we be the baddest. We dey kill and we show to the highest. Now we be the baddest. Anywhere where we go, we dey run them. YSG the baddest. Now we be the baddest.
Look into my
Rastafari. Me papa gone. For I man ya fi see san ye water and I me ye ball sin. It's a pity. I and I no see, but me know you cool, man. Papa, me I promise. Fi plan ganja in around your final place for rest. So if you get high and speak directly with the most high sin, A dunkel Jamaica where me account from me here. Ganja. Official hair. And I have. Before the end, brethren, permit me to play some special tune for my fallen hero.
Then fuck all that shit. Pop doesn't do ganja, man, so fuck all that shit. Dang. Oh, yeah, Pop. I'm so sorry I rolled down late. Thanks for what you left behind, man. Appreciate it. I have one thing to tell you, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. Chill in peace, Pop. That's what's up, man.
Mommy? 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 Rest in peace, Mommy. Rest in peace. All these Soya men here, we are here to respect you, Mommy. Thank you for all the property. Rest in peace. Rest in peace, Mommy.
Why you dropping flour on the papa? Why? Who would come and sweep this place when we are not here? Take the flour away, Papa. Papa, me, your daughter Christella. I never saw you, but I know you are a good man. Thank you for all the property you left for me, your daughter Christella. If I see you in heaven, I will dance Makwesa, I will Lukumba for you alone. Let me show.
Just wanna spend it on you.
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
Don't tell me fuck the shit. What shit are you shitting on the grave?
Dang. Traffic in the air.
There might be traffic in the here where you are coming from, but there is movement in the grave. There is movement in the grave. Papa, I miss you. Oh, Papa.
Bombo cloud Congolese. Ya drink and laugh like need the road.
Papa, I say bye-bye for now.
Bombo cloud Congolese.
Papa.
Ya drink
Papa. Thank you for the will.
Traffic in the air.
Stop saying that. I don't like it. You be shouting. Shit. If you want to shit, you shit by yourself. You pack it by yourself. And you do traffic in the head.
Listen.
Where would there be movement in the head?
Listen, Frenchy Makosa. Fuck them Makosa shit, okay? In Texas, I rock with Jay-Z. I rock with Lil Wayne. DJ Khaled rolls with me. That's some Congo shit.
You be calling people don't even know at all. You don't know people. Look, let me tell you. Your people don't know Papa Wemba. You don't even know Awilo Lokomba. Awilo Lokomba.
Nigga, fuck that Awilo shit. Damn. Listen, fuck that Makosa shit. Fuck that Awilo shit. I rock with Beyonce.
Hey, quiet, all of you. I say, quiet. Chest out, you. That's good. Let down. Now listen, all of you. Listen. You have to be very careful. Do I make myself clear? Very, very careful. Here is village. Here is your hometown. And here is not any of those places you returned from. Lost your father.
I remember.
That's good. You weep. You remain decent. Careful. That's what I want.
But mommy, that should be for those who have done something stupid. Have I?
Let me tell you. The Holy Book says, blessed are thou when thou suffer persecution for me. Rejoice. very word about a ganja. Can we say, Zion, a holy place. No sin can enter there. Sin.
Listen, Jamaica, chill.
Rastafari.
Bob your head. Chill. That's not bob your head.
That's not in the Bible.
Let's leave whatever the Bible say. We don't want not here for the Bible. What Bible? Me come here for 2 reasons. Number 1, Papa dead. We bury Papa. Number 2, I come here for the money. Everything is money. Give me the money, Papa. Leave me.
Which money?
Come on, old soldier. Listen, my mama told me that was a fucking deal. So we roll down here for the money. Where is the money, old soldier? This is traffic in the air.
I see. Now listen, all of you. Stand still, all of you. Eyes, all of you. Pray, all of you. Listen very well. There's a will. You all know it. That will has to be read. It will be read by the barrister when he comes.
So where's the fucking barrister?
Before then, you remain quiet.
I see now that there is traffic on the road for the barrister.
Before the barrister comes, remain patient. And act decently. That's it. Come on.
Traffic in the...
Hey. Why are you pacing up and down?
Well, you're old soldier. Where is the fucking barrister? Don't tell me, where is the barrister?
I don't know.
This is traffic in the air. What do you mean by you don't know? Listen, old soldier, I need to roll back to Texas, man. Niggas are waiting for me. Jay-Z is waiting for me. Lil Wayne is waiting for me. Rihanna just called my phone. Nicki Minaj is on my neck. DJ Khaled is owing me. And he called and I should come pick my salary. What the fuck is going down, Paul? I need to roll back.
You need to roll. In the army, when you roll on the ground. So you want to roll?
Old soldier. Nigga, fuck that army shit. When I say I want to roll back, I want to roll back to States. That's what's up. Traffic in the air.
Well, we need to wait for the barrister. I'm waiting for the barrister. You wait for the barrister. All of us must wait for the barrister. And in the meantime, you get in there and get me a cup of water. Now.
Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air.
Odomisai Jankara Angelati Yoli Umomila Jankara Angelati Yoli Ide Handulu you brother Isigi Gepempe Odomisai Isigi Gepe Jankara Angelati O Janati Isiepom Isiepom Jankara Janati O Janati Yoli Ide Handulu you brother Isigi Gepempe
Anoma Adobie.
See them Not them Family Alibago JJ with you Jankara o Abaga Joka o
So today is actually Bato's burial, and everywhere is as calm as ever. So Sylvester actually meant to honor what his brother asked for. Chai! But this is the height of stinginess. How I wish there is an avenue for me to get hold of Bartolomeo's money, no matter how small. It is well.
Jankara, Jankara, Abaga, Jokao, Jankara, Janet, Jankara, which one beyond?
There's no meat in this soup now.
If there was any meat in the house, or you had given me money to buy any, do you think I would have cooked this soup without meat? There's no meat in the soup.
Poverty is not a good thing at all.
Something lost if I gave if I get married.
Jankara, where are you going? Mama, relax, it's coming. Shut up, Micheal, I didn't ask whether he's coming or not. I asked, where is he going? Mama, he's coming now, calm down.
Agonwa. Odogu. Good meat.
What a set up. That one no beef. You went that teacher.
Look at the way you crammed meat that started eating it. You didn't even ask where the meat came from.
What matters is not where it came from, but where it is going. What
you are doing to these children, I don't like it. You are spoiling them. You are encouraging them to do bad things. Look at this boy. Since I came back from the city, he has been stealing from people. And you know, the only thing he came back from the city with is this drawing on his body. I don't even know if it's this drawing that is pushing him into doing bad things.
You don't know. It is fashion in the city. That drawing at home, they call it
tattoo. You can go. See, what you are doing to these children is right. Pulling a kuli sumaka I like Romia. You see, you are sewing on them, you are going to repeat. You are going to repeat.
Chika,
get up from the side.
Chika, Inaba.
Leave Mama, let her go. So I too good to be enough for us.
What have you made? What are the multiple services? Multiple. Ja.
If it is because of the bushmeat you have found, you better go back inside, meet Jankara, get the rest from him, garnish it with pepper and bring it back to me.
You just listen to yourself.
I heard everything I said.
Why do you encourage those children to do silly things?
Since when did sourcing for what to eat become a silly thing?
Those things are stealing. Are you not concerned that your children are gradually becoming professional thieves?
I am a poor man, and since I cannot provide everything my family needs, what is wrong with my children trying to help?
Udo?
Hey! Do you have conscience at all?
Mommy?
What? Listen, Frenchy Congo, I'ma whoop your greasy ass, okay?
Talk
Don't
to the
fuck
microphone.
with me.
Use my leg as the microphone. What's your problem? What's your problem? Did you bring chair from Texas or whatever you come from? Ha! You be talking weapon had the haze.
Listen, I don't want to go gangster with you. Traffic in the air.
I tell you, leave me alone. Stop telling me traffic at the hay. Let there be movement here at the hay. Are you God? No sense.
Hey, Mami.
Listen.
Mami, it's almost getting dark. When is the barrister ever coming?
Yeah, man. I'm about to say same shit, man. I'm fucking tired of waiting for this fucking barrister.
Well, the pity, the barrister is not coming after all today.
Traffic in the air.
Also, what I say? What you talk about, man?
No, I am tired. Oh, I'm tired of staying here. I've stayed here 2 days. I don't want to stay here again. I want to go tomorrow. I go tomorrow.
Hey. Come on, Yala. Yes, when you do your hair like this, that's a Kamayala here. Listen, the same way you people want to live here is the same way I want to get done with this whole process. Your father did not, he was so stingy that he could not even leave anything for me to feed you with. And the more you people stay here, the more haggard my haggard pocket becomes.
Your pocket is not haggard. It's your house that is haggard. Do your house. Hey, I better get a good place to sleep today. Because something choked me in your house. I don't like it. I don't want.
Traffic in the air.
You stop saying traffic in the hay. What traffic in the hay? Let there be movement in the hay.
I'ma whoop your greasy ass.
Who you talking to?
Because I'ma whoop your greasy ass.
Eyes! What's wrong with all of you? Let me say. Me come here to drink milk. Me no come here to cow. Me no come here to spend the eternity. Also, Rasta mami I get business I run a dango Jamaican. See? Rastafari.
Hey, you! Hey! You come here, Yala.
Speak the language, me fear. Speak the language for me people.
Oh, soldier, show yourself. Show yourself. Oh, soldier, no they die you. Oh, soldier, no they die. No they die. I got the idea, kanka. Ne guama.
Are you sure this is the best place?
No, what do you want? What do you mean? What do I mean by that? Okay, you want to take me to your house?
No.
Do you want to take me to your house?
No, to Fiapa. No, why would I do that? Do you want my wife to cut off my mouth?
And I also do not want your wife to cut off my ife again and keep on the floor. So let's just... I will about sharp.
Okay, man. So what are we
I can open. I want to take a day go first. Money. Yeah, I'm banned. And I remember you forgetting. Will you marry me tomorrow?
No, I'm married already.
So it is you who has been defiling my sister and some other young girls in this village. Okwe?
No.
Okwe?
No, I haven't done anything. See my hand.
You are gone. See, in fact, I want you to choose where I will bury you. Is it Opanam or Ela? Because I will make sure I butcher you. I will make sure I butcher you and report to the village with your corpse.
I haven't done anything yet now. Ask her. Okay, do you know what? Let me take it back inside, please. Don't kill me. Let me put it back inside, please.
Please, I beg you now, in the name of God.
Yes.
Please, have mercy on him.
When you people were coming here to quack, did you come in the name of God, Janet? Did you come? In the bush of all places, you disgust me.
Yeah, you're right. I want to against this bush. But
Hey!
Please. Okay. Whatever, please. I'm sorry, please. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Come on. Show with him. Simple. Just all guys up before well gone. Up wala. 100 naira nke ị na-etinye ebe ahụ ọ ebe ahụ ga-adị. Come on, Miss Oyo ọfụma. It's yours. I slap you.
Yes, sir.
It's yours.
Uncle? Yes, now. You saw me now. That's.
Say the truth now.
This is all I have.
This is all you have. Yeah. This is all you have.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay, so you are joking.
No, I'm not.
You are joking
with
me.
Egbo
mama. Janet, Egbo mama.
Please.
You can communicate with God. Kamalo de Belaya, Belia. Nna. Nna, there is one energy. Okay. My left hand. My left hand. Agwe Sakaba.
Who made me one in a palm of one? Now turn this way, please. Count it in my presence. You're welcome. Okay.
In my presence?
Yes.
My presence.
Oh, they got
in my own way. Nah, this style is being also cheap.
Not style like that cheap.
Oh, you know. Hey.
What are you going? Organize.
Antoinette, but he blew. Oh, my chineke can
man.
Nah, finally. Emmanuel, if you sample this your main market for road. People from Headbridge to Uwakwe. What are this? They're going to throw a salute for you. By then, I need to go in the idea. Mankana. Mankana.
I have seen it. Jankara, where did you get this money from? I said, where did you get this money from? No, No, sometimes they got fly this one day couple years. In area is right. Not my call sound. I must say, no, never know. I want to say for the no food to chop, no food to eat. If I had this, almost I didn't want to make it eat you. You stole it. You got like it. You got like it.
Has someone ever bought you something in this house?
You.
Huh? But you look at Jankala.
American dad.
Icholo. Nah, you could.
Nah, cool down.
Nah, you. Nah, let me fuck.
I've been smacking the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she move, she make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see this. Take up the same toe, let me see this.
is it? Every time you do every way. Can't you even buy just toothbrush to brush it fresh and clean?
You're a lazy woman. That's all I can say. Good. I hope you know. Because here we don't dance early in the morning.
Oh, Africa do exercise every time, uncle. Let me tell you something. You tell me I have no respect. I want to respect you now. I greet you, bonjour.
But what?
I say bonjour. Bonjour means good morning.
Good morning. That one I have heard.
Ça va.
Each eh? Plus this early morning dance. You're a lazy woman. But if you want to apple, get the apple. Fill your stomach.
If you don't know the meaning of something, tell me. I ask you, ça va. You would answer me, ça va bien, merci. Or you say fine. I say, how are you? That's the question.
I see. I'm fine. I heard you now.
Good of you.
I'm fine. Very, very fine. Come. What's even wrong with you? Can you ever get a little disturbed, angry, or whatever? Can you ever? Are you always this way?
Me always happy. Me no traffic on the hay. My own traffic on the ground. Everybody happy dance. You dance to a will.Now. When you dance like that, exercise your body, exercise your waist. Woman, don't you do?
Do what? Like do what?
That's
do what?
How a man should
do what? Do it again. Let me
just show you. That's it. You do small makosa now, it comes very high.
Okay, this is makosa.
Look, let me play for you.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh. Dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she push, she make me wine.
Oh, so Jana, waiting be this you. You big guy, man. You big guy, man. Oh, so Jana, waiting be this you. You big guy, man. You big guy, man. Move you. Oh, so just make you stand here to see you.
Resume. Barrister Johnson. You're welcome.
I'm sorry I was unable to attend the burial.
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. The important thing is that you're here now. And you just entered at the nick of time.
Please do accept my sympathy.
That's okay.
So shall we?
Resume.
Also just make you stand here to see you. Just scatter your nyash. Also just big guy, man. Attack. If you move, I move you.
Resume.
No retreat, no surrender. Attack, I want to know the kind of family you be. I want to know. I want to know. No. I want to know it. I want to know. Also just never die you. Also just not digital guy, man. Big guy man, yo, chai, computerizing guy man, action guy man. If you move, chai. She say her name na Christera. She say her name na Christera. Oh, my cosa de you.
This is the will and testament of the late Bartholomew Okoli.
She say her name na Christera.
Sealed as it was on every day. We actually instructed him to leave this room and his burial as his atonement for his shoes and body.
She like to go choo-choo.
Go ahead, man.
And I read, I do not wish to say much. I believe that at the time this will is being read, I should have been committed to Mother Earth. And my children and brother have gathered to feast on what I've left behind. Some people think I was a stingy man. Well, everybody is entitled to his own opinion. Here is my wish on the distribution of my assets. 10 million naira is to be given to my brother Sylvester, assisting in the duty he is to perform.
Mama?
Blouse and skirt, man!
My palm and plantations are to be handed over to the church to run and take profits henceforth. My mansion is to be donated to charity and is to be used as an orphanage. As for my children, I have about 2 billion naira in my account.
May God be blessed always!
Yes, I give you Congo laughing. Where is the money? All I need now is the money. Bring it out. Let us share the money.
As soon as what is written in the will is carried out.
Go ahead, man. Yes, me agent.
But, Mame, we just heard what is in the will. Just go ahead and distribute. Share everything that is stated in the will.
Gentlemen and lady, you have not heard it all. However, before anybody becomes eligible to lay hold of anything, he must perform a special duty for the 4 children. You are all to stay together under one roof for a period of 1 year.
What? This is traffic in the air.
Here in this village, you must live like the villagers. Go to the stream and go to farm like them.
Mame, wait. Tell me it's not true.
You must live under the supervision of my brother Sylvester.
Break it. I don't have 1 year to spend in Africa here. Jay-Z wants to record in my studio. Obama needs my attention. Rihanna just called. That is traffic in the air.
No one must leave at any point. If anyone leaves, the others forfeit the inheritance. Same also applies if you ever fight each other.
Attorney Fidelo, why I say not good? Not good at all, man.
No problem. That's no problem for me at all. Oh, Papa a good man. He died when left money for all the children. Oh, Papa. Me I stay here 1 year. I give you for extras this month. Yes. All I need is the money. But I need good liquor and I need good music. I will come back. Makosa. Then life is beautiful.
Hey. Was that your name, Christian or what?
Jomaper Christella. You were not around. My name is Ceremony. That's why you don't call my name Wayne. My name is Christella.
Come. For you, is life all about Makosa, dancing, liquor?
Uncle, liquor and Makosa is complete life. Life complete.
That's for you. Anyway, I hope you heard what the will read. That means you must behave yourself or you lose it. That goes for all of you. Behave yourself or you lose it. When am I taking my 10 million naira?
The 10 million naira from my brother should also go to him at the end of the 1 year period. If anyone out of the 4 leaves, my brother also forfeits his own money.
Hey!
One more thing. The first 11 months of the 1 year period, must be spent in my brother's house.
Bumbo clat, man. It's like living in hell, man.
Now, this is topsy-turvy in the army. Ah!
Yeah, c'est un papier. It's not good the people the way you do. Not a papier. Wicked people. Stay for 1 year. It's racist mode. You shouting.
Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I can't do 1 year in Africa. Jay-Z wants to record in my studio. Obama needs my attention. Rihanna just called and you're telling people this is traffic in the me 1 year in Africa? Damn, it's not fucking possible. Fuck that. I'm gonna whoop your grease ass. I'm gonna whoop your grease ass.
Some children didn't have them at tamper with the way I but just see them all. They want something the most high, feel suffering, castrated into the strange land. But Jah Rastafari, the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah, will bring emancipation to people.
Mommy, this is not good. Mommy, this is not good. Me going back to Morovia. What is this? What is this? You stay in this house for 1 year? What is this? Mommy, this is not good. Mommy, this is not good. Mommy, this is not good. This is not good. Did you what I hear in there? Do you hear what Dama say? Mommy, this is not good. Nigga, fuck that shit. I can't do 1 month in Africa. I can't do 1 year in Africa. Maybe I can't do 1 year in Africa.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me.
What is this? What is this? What is this?
What
is this? I can't do 1 year in Africa. What the fuck?
Who are you?
Traffic in the
Let them be moved.
Stand still, everybody. Stand still. Stand still. Everybody, where you are, fall in line quickly. About turn. Quick march. Slow march. Stand still. Chest out. Scatter your nash. What's this noise all about?
You see noise? Mommy, you see noise? The man in here said that we should stay for this house for 1 year. Mommy, that is not good. That is not good. Me go back for Morovia. That is not good. That is against the Most High God. All these men here are here to protect you all. Are we? Mommy, that is not good.
Does any of you speak good English?
Break it, break it, break it. I hate insult here. What's that supposed to mean? So what have I been speaking? Swahili, Dutch, traffic, Inda.
Because none of you seems to make sense to me. This one here. Arabanko. Awilo. Dance. This one. Shit. Shin. Traffic. This one is the worst. You see God, you call him Jah.
Oh, soldier. No disrespect, Rastaman.
Look at that. Respect. My man, this one. Now I want all of you to listen to me and listen good. You all heard what was said in there. I heard it. And I want you to listen to me. Your father was a stingy man. So stingy that it was aromatic. Anywhere he passed, the odor of his stinginess stuck. Saw it in there? You were witness, all witness to what happened in there. Your father could not, even in death, leave his possession to the living without attaching conditions. Now all that is not of interest to me. You're all going to live in this house, for the next 1 year. And I want all of you must brace up to discipline. Do I make myself clear? For the fact that I have been asked to look after you means that you must all obey orders. What did I say? Obey orders. I want to hear ho-ho when I say that. Do I make myself clear? Now better.
Dang. Come on, man. I can do 1 year in Africa, baby. I roll down here just to get done with this shit and roll back with my money. Jay-Z wants to record in my studio. Obama needs my attention, and Rihanna just called me. I can do 1 year in Africa, baby. How's traffic in that?
Young man, no one leaves. That's what the will says.
What if I choose to?
No. How would you say you want to go? No, it's just 1 year. Then we give them extra 6 months. Making 1 year, 6 months. It's not too much. I need money. I can't go.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey, quiet. Americano, did you hear her? Americano, did you hear her? No one wants to lose the inheritance. So for the next 1 year, to be abreast, you have to think of the reality of the situation.
Bumbo clad. That's a boy like me. If I go back a foreign man.
That's fucked up, man. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. I can stay 1 year in Africa. Fuck that shit.
Your noise.
I'm a whoop your ass. Don't fuck with me.
If you protect me, I'll break your head. I will break your head.
I'm gonna rock you like 50.
Don't talk to me.
I'm gonna rock you like 50.
Don't talk to me.
I'm gonna rock you like 50.
I said don't follow me.
I'm gonna rock you with 50.
Okay,
Listen, I'm
you
rock
want
you.
to turn yourself
I'm gonna rock
to
you.
a bulldog.
I'm gonna rock you like 50.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna rock you like 50.
So, that is it, my brother.
Hey, you mean you are really serious about the 2 billion?
I am supposed to look after these children for the next 1 year before any of us can collect the money.
Hey! If I was the one and I'm asked to stay for 50 years, 50 years, I will stay.
Who will spend the money?
Mwana. Of course, Mwana.
Timothy.
Onwenyozo.
Are you sure you have up to 20 years to spend on this earth? How much more 50 years?
Sylvester, if you want to die in time, feel very free. But I have not enjoyed anything in this life. So I want to live very long to enjoy those things that I have missed. Okoli.
After all, onye ụsa adị enwe ọlsa.
Ife kwuru.
Ife emeleme.
Ọ dị mma. Nke a ufe nwelie. Nwanne m. Do you know that my brother left just 10 million naira for me?
Amadioha. Hey! 10 million.
What is Amadioha there? Why are you calling Amadioha in this matter? Do you know how much he left for those children? Each of them is getting 500 million naira.
Hey! Because Sylvester, because. Hey, don't injure my eardrums with this amount you are calling this morning. Hey!
That is the truth.
Huh? And you are made for life. Hey!
Timothy. For the fact that you're a poor man does not mean you should reason like that. What is 10 million compared to what these children are collecting?
Bianwana, nka kalgo kwanosa. All the konyosa chabagi nwe ulcer. You that does not have 10,000 naira. You are now saying 10 million and it is not enough for you? Eh?
Onyosa chokokwani nwe ulcer.
If a man, I agree with you. But you see, I am going to still suffer for the next 1 year. So I deserve better. And that's why I'm here now to see you.
Mama. Okay. I'm Megan.
Let me roll. Let me roll.
You're not going anyway.
Let me roll.
You're not going
Let me roll. Let me roll.
I say you're not
Listen,
going
let me roll.
I say you're
Let
not
me
going.
roll.
You're not going
Fucking with
anyway.
mom, dude.
I say you're not
You're
going.
fucking with smoke
Who are
dude.
you?
I'm an American citizen.
You are with
I'm a call 911.
No.
I'm a call 911.
Let me tell you something.
Right.
Come, wait. You are telling me you are from America. It's your president up to my president, Laurent Kabila. No. Me, I'm from Democratic of Congo.
Damn, this is traffic in the air. I'm a call 911. Let me go. Think you can say something.
Americana. What done, Americana? Sit down on the place. Chaka, fanky, bar. Sit down on the place.
Listen, Jamaica, I'm a Barbie, Jamaica. Let me. I miss my guys. I miss my crew. Lewin, where the fuck are you? Wiz Khalifa, oh God. Uncle Snoop. What? Listen, let me go. Let me go.
I need money.
I'm a call 911. I'm a rock you like 50. I'm a rock you like 50.
Mame, see. If you don't respect yourself, no, Mame, I'll fight you. I'll show you how I fight my fight in Morovia. Respect yourself, no.
Nigga, fuck that shit. Thank your stairs I didn't roll out with my crew. 50 Cent will have showed you. He will have racked you like music.
I'll fight in Morovia. Respect yourself, no.
Nigga, fuck
respect
that shit.
yourself, no.
Nigga, fuck that shit. Listen to me.
Listen to me.
Listen. I'm a call 911.
Super.
Uncle?
How are you? You slept well.
What do you call me?
Slippers.
Uncle, that's Sylvester. That's not Sylvester. The same way your name is Sylvester, that's the same way my name is Sylvester. Not Sylvester. Yes, Uncle. You understand, my man?
Your name is what?
Sylvester.
Not
Sylvester, my man.
Good. Now call the others. I want everybody out. I want everybody up and doing this morning. Right?
Okay.
Good.
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Greetings, O soldier. Rastamami, respect your large. God bless. I and I sin. Yeah, man.
Jay-Z. I be smart to the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance.
Papa, good uncle. Oh my God, me to dance. If you dance Makosa, you'll be happy. Uncle, it's very good to dance with me. Let me tell you something. If you dance Makosa with good liquor, you'll be happy.
Make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. The way she dance, the way she make me wine, wine, wine. The way she dance, the way she make me wine, wine, wine. Take up the same tall, I'm feeding.
Last time I won, play some better tune from the game. You sound loud and noisy. Never to you.
What's your problem?
Hey!
What's your problem, grandfather of Buffalo? What's disturbing me?
I said, stop it! Stand still, everybody! What did both of you want to do? Eh? Ha! Alweme, have you forgotten the part of the will that says no fighting? Eh? Have you?
But, soldier, why she had to stop me in the day? Me in the spirit, man.
What spirit are you, man? What? I play my music, you dance my
What's up, also? Listen, this is some knuckle shit, my road dog.
What did you call me?
I said my road dog. Listen, we chill in same crib. We do same shit. We roll out from same crib. That makes you my road dog, babe. So do some knuckle shit.
Hey! Sylvester.
Yeah. See what your brother Bato has done with you. Somebody is calling me dog. Nkita. Ah! Hey! Now! 2 steps back. Come on. 2 steps back. Stand still. No movement, everybody. No movement. Go.
Hey! Everybody, patient. No disobedience. Listen, everybody. Each and every one of you must be up and doing. Do I make myself clear? Hey, no disobedience. Eyes. You. Why are you looking at me like that?
Come on, old soldier. You know there is traffic in the air.
There is no traffic in the air. The sun is moving and the moon is going on its own. No traffic.
Hey! Why are you looking at me that way?
Me like you agree here, man. You do.
Yes, sir. We know that everything that was written on paper was written by men. And whatever a man has written on paper can be rewritten.
In other words?
Barrister, to see not too good vision of what my obituary is going to look like. Died outside active service.
Can you really come out in plain terms, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Barrister, I wonder why my brother left so little an amount and then went ahead to give the bigger part to children who were not even there to take care of him when he was sick.
And secondly,
Barrister, you are pushing this thing hard. Eh? Take it easy. Huh? Don't push me that hard, otherwise I forget what I really wanted to say. Huh? Yes. Please take any amount you want from that money. Then you increase my own a little. And tell them that the will says that I can take my money whenever I want, at least before the 1 year period.
In other words, you're saying I should, alter the already read wills, then go back to tell them it's been changed. Exactly what I mean, sir. I cannot be party to such a kangaroo arrangement. If you don't mind, sir, with all due respect, this discussion is over.
Barrister, take it easy, Barrister. You're starting your car? Hi. You want me to come down? Eh?
I can't.
Hey.
Why won't you be startled? Oh, you are a wood. I'm going to name you. Come on, go. You guys are now. That is it. It's a rock about. Nah, after something.
After again, come with our bank and go and I'm calling. Now take you.
How can you look like this? Nobody, man, again, I look for. Can you like this?
Now, for Balana, man, I'll go for Balo, Mona Gija here. Now, call him.
I'm also.
He foresaw your future and gave you this name, Jankara. Jankara Jawona.
Because no one is Jankara.
Sit down.
No, seriously. Sometimes I wish we didn't have to survive like this. We always steal to survive. I wish we had rich parents that will always provide our needs every time we need something.
See, Janet, I'm begging you. Please, don't spoil my mood. Because in video bank, only to bank. Okay, see. If you see the position I find myself in the other day, hi! Etiko! Namlon!
So what you going to say about your law? Eh? Shadow again. I hope there's something now.
We never know about it.
Now, I hope everybody has gone out.
I'm alone. You can talk.
Okay.
How did it go?
Timo. He refused.
What?
The barrister refused.
That's a lie.
How can I lie with a thing like this?
On a warrior no that he can take what he wants.
Timothy, I did.
And he still refused?
Oh, don't keep asking that again. I told you he refused.
So, again he can't make it. What do we do now?
If I knew, will I be here?
Relax. I think I know what we can do.
What is it?
My daughter Janet will be the passageway.
What?
Janet! Oh, no, sir.
Christian Jamaica upon the dance. When you come, you nice up the dance. Let me tell you. Listen. Man to man is so unjust. Liberial, you don't know who to trust. Cause your worst enemy could be your best friend. And your best friend, your worst enemy. Some we eat and drink with you.
Drink with traffic in the head. Listen, nigga, fuck that shit. Nigga, fuck that shit. Listen, that. Jeez.
Hey, man. What's wrong with you?
Nigga, there is traffic in the air. I want to download shit, yeah? But your Congolese sis wouldn't let me do that shit. That tummy hurts, man.
Texas bombo clot. Blood clot, man.
Mame, you look terrible, Mame. Just relax, okay? Everything will be alright. Okay?
Nigga, what the fuck is funny, man?
You say shit. You want download shit. Look for somewhere and download shit.
That's not how. Damn. I'ma put in my pants, man. Shit. I'ma put in my pants, man. Shit.
Just relax, okay? Everything will be alright.
Nigga, fuck that shit. That is tummy. My tummy hurts, man. There's war in my tummy.
We don't want no war. No. We don't want no war. We want equal rights and justice. We want peace. Rastaman, me, I preach message for peace.
Traffic in the air.
What man?
Traffic in the air.
From Jadimeka. Feed the wine on your belly. And listen, man. Brother man.
Traffic in the air.
Brother man. Listen, give out the wine on your belly. Yeah, brother.
Jay-Z! I be smashing the mix. I'm busy, yeah. Okay, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. You watch the dance, you watch the dance.
Why are you running? Listen to Willow, stop listening to your belly. Belly is not.
Bombo clad, blood clad.
Let me tell you what happened in the toilet. It was a good experience. Different music, different sound. I was listening to my Willow Lokomba up the radio. Assad. The good music. Yeah, where you hear me.
Bombo clad, blood clad, dirty pum pum. Daughter fee Babylon.
Just make a dance, just make a dance, dance, make a dance, dance, make a dance. Do watch the dance, do watch the push the make me wine, wine, wine. Do watch the dance, do watch the push the make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance, baby, dance, make a dance, oh, dance, make a dance. Do watch the dance, do watch the push the make me wine, wine, wine. Do watch the dance, do watch the push the make me wine, wine, wine. Dance, let me see it. Come to my party, let me see this. Teach me how to dance, cause I know Zubby dance. Tell me who made it possible, cause you took it. 1, 2, put on your...
Dang! What the F? Dang! This is traffic in the air, baby. Come on! This one good thing about Africa, you know?
Lost and scared.
Dang. Give this to you, man.
My mother.
Your mama gave this to you. God bless your mama, man. This is for your mama, knuckle, baby. For your mama. One, that's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. For your mama. That's what's up. Dang.
Mommy, this is what they call Democratic Party of Africa.
Yeah, man.
If you climb this buto, mommy, you speak your mind.
This is traffic in the air.
Pretty data. Let me say. Your body just give a man some inspiration for your new song. Your body is a killer. See? Your body is a killer.
No, my brothers. I'm not sure even
about
Stop that, mommy.